Hello students, today we are going to discuss syllabus of class 8th computer, and in this video class we will discuss chapter 4 of your book, that is HTML3. Okay, so we will start from the image tag, IMG tag, and it is known as the image tag. What is the use of this tag? This tag is used to insert picture on the HTML page or on the website. See how we can do this. It is very easy to insert any image on the website or the web page. This is the empty tag, and every web page is saved as a file, and since we are discussing from the HTML, you know that every web page is saved as a individual file and every image is also an individual file. So both these files will be linked on a same page. For this purpose we use IMG tag. Three types of images are supported by our HTML documents, that is JPG image, GIF images and PNG images. *.jpg means name of the file could be anything, but extension should be JPG, and second extension should be GIF or PNG. All these three documents are supported: JPG, GIF and PNG. There are lots of image formats available, and every image format have some quality, but the documents, the files, the pictures supported by the HTML is JPG, GIF and PNG. So we will use only these three formats. So now first we will discuss attributes. Before discussing attribute, let's see the example. See how we can insert image on the page. In this way we can insert the image. Let's see the code, means how this is inserted. So right click and view page source. So we will see the source of this HTML page, and then we will come to know how to insert images on the web page. See, very simple syntax is there. The structure is HTML. Let me zoom this page so that you can clearly see. And this is the way. HTML head, title is IMG tag. This is the title. This is written here, title. Then head closed, body, and inside the body IMG src. src is the attribute of this tag. Okay, and this is required attribute, means without src IMG tag is worthless. If you will write IMG tag, it will be of no use. So be 100% sure to use src tag whenever we use IMG tag. There is one more tag that is also known as the required tag, required attribute, but you may skip that, but it is advised to use that attribute every time when you use IMG tag with src and another attribute. We will discuss what is that. So this is the way we can see the images. Just 1 minute. This is the image and this is the code. Okay, let's start. Next, attributes of the image tag. So we discussed the first tag, first attribute src, and second one, which is also a required attribute, that is alt. It specifies the alternative text. What is the use of this alternative text? Alternative text is there if anyhow image is not loaded, then that text will take place of that image. So see, we will see with examples. See, this is the page is same, but here we have used alt attribute of that tag also. Just see how we have used that. Here alt equals to Microsoft Office product. Then how it will be used? Just see the source code of this page. Okay, just wait, we will open the source code of this. and this is the code of that page. Here we have used images, so we will just do one thing, we will change the image, means we will give incorrect information so that it will create an error. See, now the image is not visible because we have used invalid image name, or anyhow if that image is not loadable, then the text which is given inside the ALT attribute will be used, and here the text which we used is, see, we have written JPG1, and JPG1 is not the supported extension, supported type of image, that's why it is not being loaded. If we will change extension again, then we will be able to see the image. Just see, and again the image is visible. This is the use of ALT attribute inside the image tag. It helps us in a way, if image is not loaded, then that text saves us. Okay. Some other attributes are also there of the image tag, that is known as the optional attributes. And what this means by optional? Optional means it is not required to give these attributes every time. It is on your wish. If you require, then you can use this, otherwise no need to use them. So first attribute is align. Align attribute is there to specify the alignment of the image, means where the image will align on the web page. See the example. Here we have two images on the page, one is aligned left and one is aligned right side. Just see the code, how it is. See, this is the code. IMG SRC, whatever the source, whatever the location. SRC attribute is there to define the address of the image, means where the image is stored inside the computer. It is the clear instruction to the browser that go there and you will find this image for my HTML website or HTML document. Okay. ALT tag is also used, but here we have used align tag also, align attribute also. This align equals to right, means image CD is aligned right side and image box is not given any alignment. It means by default it is aligned to the left of the page. This is very clear. Okay. Now border alignment. What is the use of border alignment? It is there to specify the width of the border for the image which we are inserting on the website. And this attribute is there to give the border size in the pixels. Just see the example and see. Same image have a border. We will see the code of also here. What is the code of this page? Let's see very clearly. Border equals to 1. Image SRC, whatever the source of that image, alt tag, alternative text, and then border equals to 1. Second image means image box is not given any border, that's why that is here without borders. Okay. Now height attribute. Height attribute is there to specify the height of the image inserted on the HTML website, and we can give the height of the image into the pixels and into the percentage also. The same way we may give width also, and width is there to specify the width of the image in the pixels or in the percentage. See the example. We have a web page that is having 3 images on the first row and another image in the next row. Let's see the page first. This is the actual size of the image which is being displayed in the very compressed way, or the in very reduced size on the first row. See here, the same image is this. Both images are same. How it is possible? It is possible because with the help of height and width attribute. See. I think this much is enough. Okay, this is also enough. The first image src, image cd, and alt tag is also there. Height 40%, width 30%. Same thing with the second image. This is also 40-30, third is also 40-30, and alignment is also used there, aligned right. And next image, that image blue, which is used on the second line, this line number 7 and line number 9 both have same images, but on line number 9 we did not reduce the size of the image with the help of height and width attribute, just to show and how it is helpful. The original image is also there, and we can also reduce the size of the image. Okay, I have used percentage here. You may use pixel also. Okay, if we will define 40, just see the example. If we will use 40 pixels, and here also 40 pixels. Control S. Just see the code is changed or not. Code is changed. This is 40 pixels. This is also 40 pixels. Just refresh this and reset this. See, here is the first image, which is very small in the size because we have reduced the size into the 40 pixels. That's why it is very small image. See, this is the actual size, but we have reduced the image to this extent. So we have the option to give the size, height and width in the pixels and percentage also. Percentage means 40% of the original size, and 40 pixel means only 40 pixels and only 30 pixels. So that's why percentage is more advisable, but it is not wise to use pixel and percentage every time. It is depending upon your needs. However you need, you may use. Now we will discuss hyperlinks. What is hyperlink? Hyperlink is an underlined word or phrase, or sometimes even a graphic, image or icon which has been linked to another location. In a simple way, in a simple definition, in a simple one-line definition, we can say hyperlink is a link which helps us to redirect from one section to another section. Okay, to create hyperlinks, we have anchor tags in the HTML, and with the help of anchor tags we can create hyperlinks into our HTML documents. So see how we can use anchor tag. The first line is the example. First line is the example of anchor tag. How we can use anchor tag? Starting angle bracket, then A, then after space, we have to define this attribute href. This is also a required attribute. Means without href we cannot create hyperlinks. That will be a blank hyperlink if you will not use hyperlink reference. So A, hyperlink reference equals to URL. URL, uniform resource location, uniform resource locator. It means the address of the document, address of the link where we wish to redirect the user from this particular section. And then link text means the text which will appear as the hyperlink option, and after clicking there we will be redirected to the particular URL or particular section. Okay, href, let us discuss. This attribute is used to specify the URL, means address or the link where we wish to redirect our viewers of the page to be displayed when the user clicks on the link text. And what is link text? Text between starting anchor tag and ending anchor tag, that is known as the link text. Link text and web address, these are the main important parts of the anchor tag. These are two main parts of the anchor tag. Let's see the examples. This is the way we can create links with the help of anchor tag. Okay, before clicking on any link, I wish to discuss the next slide because both are interlinked. So just wait, we are coming to that slide. This is that slide. By default, link appears as underlined and blue, this is known as the unvisited link. Just wait. See, underlined and blue in color. This is unvisited link because we have not clicked on these links, That's why they are known as the unvisited link. By default, they are blue in the blue color by default. And underlined but purple in color, that is visited link. Okay, just see. After clicking, the color is changing. Means I have held down the click, that's why the color is red. Okay, we have visited the link. Now going back. Wow, the color of that link is changed. Now the color of that link is purple. Underlined and purple in color, purple color. What it means? It is visited link. Now the next, underlined and red. And this was also there, we have seen when we clicked on the first link. Means the moment when you click, that becomes red in color because that link is active. You have clicked there, a click event is generated there, that's why that becomes red in nature, red in color. See once more. See, we are going to click on third link. Just the color, I have pressed the left click, that's why the color is still red. It will also appear as the purple color. Okay. Okay, we have seen all these. Means unvisited link will be there, underlined manner and blue color. Visited link will be underlined but color will be purple, and active link also underlined but color is red. Okay, we can change the color of these links. Okay, this is very useful for us. We can change the color. How we can change the color? Just see the example. This is another page and the color, by default color, is green instead of blue because we have changed the color of the unvisited link also. Hence by default the color is green we have defined. Okay, just I'm going to click. Okay, on clicking means active link is in the gold color. Wow, the color is visited, the link is visited, and after visiting the color becomes purple. I think purple. Yes, link green means by default color is green. We have defined into the body section, into the body tag. This is, see this means if we wish to change the color of the link and that hyperlink is appearing inside the body tag, that's why these attributes are there in the body tag, and we can change the color of the link with the inside the body tag only. Body tag link equals to green means by default color is green, and virtual link v-link visited link will be visible into the purple color and active link into the gold color. Now this purple color, let me change because by default this is also in the purple color. Now let me change purple. Okay, aqua. We will use aqua color. Just refresh the page to see the changes. Yes, color is changed. Yes, it is working. Now visited link will appear into the aqua color and the active link will appear into the gold color. Visited link in aqua and unvisited link in green color. So this is, we can, okay, now types of linking. Although we have created hyperlink, means hyperlink is an application of example of linking. So linking can be done in two ways, internal linking and external linking. So what is internal linking? It redirects to another section of the same page. And external, it redirects to the another web page of the same website or another website. Let's see the examples. Internal linking. It can be done with the help of name attribute. Name attribute of the anchor tag is used to create a bookmark on a page. Bookmark means bookmark is there to gives us direct access. When you read your favorite book, and suppose you are on just in the mid of the book and you have some interruption, what you will do? You will use a bookmark and you will insert that bookmark to that particular page number, and when you will come back, that bookmark will help you to jump directly to the section, directly to the page number where you were. Okay, so in the same way we can create bookmark for our HTML websites, HTML documents. Okay, and the value which you will give against the name attribute, that will be used as a URL for anchor tag to create internal linking. See the example. Anchor tag name equals to value, and then the text, whatever the content you wanted to write, and then to link this from a hyperlink we will use a href equals to hash and the name of that value, whatever value you have given, and the text means that will be created as the link text. See the example how we can do this. This is the page we have for. Let's see this page once. Okay. So the one image of CD, Microsoft Office, and this is sunshine, but in a cloudy moment or clear, whatever. And this is very large image. Okay, no issue. And next one is also an image. Good. Okay, we will see the internal linking. This is natural image. Wow, we are linked to the natural image, and see here the back button is highlighted, means this was our actual URL, and see here what address we have, linking.html, means internal linking.html, and once we click on this natural image, it becomes dash nature. This is the value of this image, means this nature is the name of this image, and this name is being used. Now see, the backward button is disabled, but once we click beautiful image, this is vision, means name of this image is vision. We are directly being redirected to this section. This is the example of our internal linking. Good, it is working. Very good. Okay, now see the code, how it is done. Let's see. Come to the line number 6 directly. Anchor tag href hyperlink reference equals to hash nature, and the linking text is nature image. Okay, and here we have anchor tag on the line number 16, anchor tag name equals to nature, and inside the anchor tag we have used image src, whatever the image is this, and that's why this is visible to us. Okay, reset. Okay, we may reduce also, we may reduce the size of this page to see all the images clearly. Okay, so here is the code, and you can easily see this code. So this is the way we can use internal linking. Here also we have used hyperlink reference hash vision, and hash vision means this is the name of this section, and the image is here. Okay, now external linking. The first example which we worked, that was the external linking. Do it yourself. Open the website of cbsc.nic.in, means open the website of CBSE, that is cbsc.nic.in, and write the name of links you see on the home page. Do it by yourself, because the practice makes one perfect. I will show you example also. See, our last example was also the example of external linking, and how we will identify that this is the text, chapter 4. Okay, chapter %24, then 06H. Okay, so inside the last hyperlink %20, link %20, color.html. okay, this is the name of this page, and we will click. Now see, the name of this page is changed. This is external linking, means we are being redirected to another page, and in internal linking we were being redirected to the section of the same website. Now image linking means link text will be replaced by an image. Image will be used instead of link text, and we can use any type of HTML supported document as link. Means we can use image there, we can use MP3 there, we can use GIF there. Means anything which is supported by HTML we can use as a link for our HTML document. See the examples. This is the page we have, image linking. Okay, click on the image to view the original size. Okay, this is the image. Wow, great. So what we did, we clicked on an image, and we got the original image. Another image is also here. Wow, very good. Okay, I have reduced the size so that we can see the image clearly. Okay, this is the smaller image once I'm clicking here, and this is the actual size of the image. Just I'm going back, and again I'm clicking on this second image, and this is this image. So this is how we can use image for the link. Okay, now email linking means we can create a link that will directly open our email client with the default address, with the address written inside the to. And what is this? Mail to. Mail to is a URI scheme used to define email ID inside the href, inside the anchor tag. Okay, hence we will use href attribute of the anchor tag and this mail to URI scheme, so that we can use we can create a email shortcut. Means just after clicking there we can send the mail to another. This will result email program opening a new email with address already written in the to field. Here this example, href mail to text user at example.com, contact here. See the example of this also, and this is the page we have. Click to mail test user, and see on the bottom side here you will see a text appearing, mail to guest at example.com, and here mail to test user at example.com. just see at the bottom side of this page. Here you can see here this section, just pay attention. And after clicking here, mail client will open, and I have not configured any mail client. That's why whatever the mail clients I have in my laptop, all are being opened here. The mail by default app is here, then Microsoft Outlook, then search for another app, then Google Chrome, whatever the app. The Microsoft Outlook is very famous. So to use this feature we must have mail client configured in our computer, so it will directly open the mail section. Okay. See, I will click again here. I configured our mail client. See, the email ID which were given on the page is directly inside the to section, guest at example.com. Discard this. Yes, discard, and I will click here also so that we can see. Yeah, another test user at example.com. Okay. Let me close this first. And yes, we have completed the chapter. Thanks for watching. and ask me if you have any queries. Rest we will discuss in the next video class.